So students, in last class we have completed this 7th question in your page number 99. No, we have completed 7th question. Okay, from today we will continue from your 8th question. What is that 8th question? How many days are there in 15 weeks? How many days are there in 15 weeks? This is your question. So for this question, if you want to solve this question, you should know one more answer. What is that? One more thing you have to know. 1 week equal to how many days? 7 days. Okay. So 1 week contains 7 days. 15 weeks will contain how many days? So 1 week equal to 7 days. 15 weeks are there. Now you have to convert into days. So what you have to do? You have to multiply 15 with 7. So here 15 weeks he said. 15 weeks you have to convert into days. Okay. 15 weeks are there. 1 week contains 7 days. So you have to multiply 7 5s are 35. 7 1s are 7. Plus 3 10. So 105 days are there in how many? Once again I am saying 1 week contains 7 days. 15 weeks will contain how much? You don't know. 15 weeks will contain how much? So we have to find what? 15 into 7. 15 weeks are there. Just he has given in weeks. You have to convert it to days, no? So from weeks you have to convert it to days. What you have to do? Weeks to days. How much you have to multiply to convert from weeks to days? You have to multiply into 7. The given number is there, no? You have to multiply into 7 to that week number. So how many weeks are there here? 15, no? 15 weeks are there. You have to convert into days. So you are multiplying with 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 3 10. 105. 105 days. Okay. There are how many days? There are. So final answer should be what? There are 105 days in 15 weeks. Okay, because each week contains 7 days. 7 into 15 you will get 105. 105 days are there in 15 weeks. So this one is your 8th question. We have completed your 8th question. Okay. Next question is a factory produces 2500 boxes in a day. Okay, a factory produces how many boxes? 2500 boxes in a day. Means it will manufacture 2500 boxes in a day. How many boxes will be produced in the month of March and April? How many boxes will be produced in the month of March and April? So for this question, if you want to solve, this question, you should know how many days are there in March and how many days are there in April. Okay. So March has 31 days. Okay, March month has 31 days and April month has only 30 days. Okay, so if you want to solve this question, you have to definitely know how many days are there in March and how many days are there in April. So let us understand the question. So you have to remember this: March has 31 days, April has 30 days. Okay, so the question is what? So what is the question he is asking? Solution: a factory produces how many boxes? A factory produces 2500 boxes in a day. Okay, this first statement I have written. A factory produces 2500 boxes in a day. What he is asking: how many boxes will be produced in the month of March and in the month of April? So daily 2500 boxes they will produce. So for total month, if we want, what you have to do? You have to multiply this with the number of days. So number of days in March equal to 31. Okay, number of days in April. So you want in March and April, no, equal to 30. There are 31 days in March month and there are 30 days in April month. So if you want how many boxes will be produced in March and in April, so in March how many boxes will be produced and in April how many boxes will be produced? If a factory produces 2500 boxes in a day, so what you have to do? So I am rubbing this. So I think you have understand how to write the statement wise. Okay, so if you didn't write, once again go back and write. So just a minute. So we want how many boxes will be produced in March. 1 minute. Just a minute, this marker is making some trouble. So let us see the solution. So we want individually how many boxes will be produced in March and how many boxes will be produced in April. So number of boxes produced in March equal to how much? Number of boxes produced in a day. Okay, into number of days in March. Okay, so if you want number of boxes produced in March, then you have to multiply what? Number of boxes produced in a day into number of days in March. So just now I have said March month has how many days? 31 days, no? So number of boxes produced in a day. Previously I have written and I have rubbed off. Okay, so how many boxes are produced daily in each day? 2500. Number of boxes produced in a day is 2500. Number of days in March are how much? 31 days. Okay, so if you multiply 2500 into 31, 1 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, 1 fives are 5, 1 twos are 2, completed for multiplication with 1 is completed. Then next we have to do with 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 fives are 15, 3 twos are 6 plus 1 7. Okay, if you are adding these two, 0 0 5 5 plus 2 7, here also 7, 77,500 boxes. So in the month of March, 77,500 boxes are produced. Okay, how did we do that? We just multiplied number of boxes produced in a day, that is 2500, into number of days. March has 31 days now. We have multiplied, we got how many boxes produced in March. We got this. March is completed. For March we have completed finding out how many boxes are produced. Next we have to find for what? So in March month we have found that 77,500 boxes are produced in March month. So we have completed finding out how many boxes are produced in March month. Next what we have to do? Next we have to find for April also, no? March and April. So number of boxes produced in April is equal to same number of boxes produced in a day into what? Number of days in which month? We are finding for April, no? Number of days in April. Okay, so number of boxes produced in April is equal to number of boxes produced in one single day into number of days in April. So what is this? 2500 is number of boxes produced in a day. 2500 into number of days in April month. I said just now 30 days. Okay, so you have to multiply 2500 into 30. 0 zeros are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 fives are 0, 0 twos are 0. This one completed, no? You have to leave one digit here, then multiply with 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 fives are 15, 3 twos are 6 plus 1 7. So what is the answer? 75000. If you are adding, 75,000 boxes are produced. So what should be the final statement? 75,000 boxes are produced in the month of April. Okay, like that you have to write for March and April. The final statement, the conclusion statement you have to write. Like that you have to solve for such type of story problems. These are story problems, no? So like that you have to solve. Okay, so 9th question we have completed, no? 9th question we have completed. So 10th question is what? Diya is planning to go to Mumbai. Diya is planning to go to Mumbai on 25th June. On June 25. Okay. She reserved her train ticket She reserved her train ticket 30 days in advance. What is the date of date of ticket reservation. So what is telling in the question? There is a girl named Dia. She is planning to go to Mumbai on 25th June. She have to go to Mumbai. Okay, she has to go to Mumbai on June 25th. Okay, for that what you have to do? To go to another place you have to book tickets, no? So she booked tickets 30 days in advance. So for going on June 25 she has to go to Mumbai. For that she have booked tickets 30 days before only. For 30 days before only she booked a ticket to go to Mumbai on June 25th. Okay, so what he is asking? He is asking the date of ticket reservation is what? What is the date of ticket reservation? To go to Mumbai on June 25th, she has reserved the tickets 30 days before only. Okay, 30 days before only she have reserved the tickets. So what is the date of ticket reservation he is asking? Okay, so for this you have to find the date of ticket reservation. Okay, so let us see the solution. First you have to write the statements. Dia is planning to go to Mumbai on June 25. Okay, she reserved her train ticket (30 days). In 30 days in advance means 30 days before only. 30 days in advance. Okay, so what is the date of ticket reservation? First of all, to solve this question you must know how many days are there. On June 25 she has to go to Mumbai, no? She has to go to Mumbai on June 25. So what is the before month? In before month only. So if you can understand clearly, she said 30 days. 30 days before only she has reserved the tickets. On June 25 she has to go to Mumbai. So means she may book the tickets in previous month only, no? This is June means she has to go to Mumbai in June 25, no? In June month she have to go. So she must have booked in previous month. So May. So she may book the month, she may book the ticket in May only. On which date we don't know. We have to find out the date only. So in May how many days are there? May has 31 days, no? On June 25 she has to go. So in June month 25 days, 25th day she has to go. In June month 25th day she has to go. So she reserved her tickets for 30 days in advance only. Before 30 days only she has reserved. So in June month 25th day she has to go. So remove 25 days first. Okay, June month 25 days, no? 25th day she has to go. So we are assuming that she may go in May month only. She has booked the tickets in May month only. But which date we don't know. Here 25 days completed. So you have to remove 25 days. You have to go back. Okay, from June 25 you have to go back. Okay, June 25 is there. So 25, 24, 23, 22 up to June 1st. How many days will be there? So 25 days completed. If you go back 5 more months, 5 more days in May month, then you will get the date of ticket reservation. Here 25 days are there now in June month. So you have to go back. Means you have to subtract 25 days in June month. 25 days is completed because she booked the tickets 30 days in advance, no? You have to go back 25 days. 25 days are completed. In May month 5 days are remaining. 25 plus 5 equal to 30. 25 days in June completed. 5 days back also you have to go in May month, not June month. May month you have to go 5 days back. So we have gone up to May 31st. May 31st. June 25 days are there in June, because she has to go to Mumbai on June 25. No, 25 days are completed in June. So more 5 days you have to get 30 days in advance. No, if you get more 5 days, then you will get the date of ticket reservation. So you have to go back from June 25, 24, 23, 22, 21 up to June 1st. 25 days are completed, means till May 31st 25 days are completed. We are coming back 25, 24, 23, 22, like that up. We are on May 31st. Okay, so 25 days are completed here only. More 5 days you have to go back from May 31st. Okay, May 31st, May 30, again May 29, 28. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 days and these are 25 days. How many days totally? 30 days in advance. No, so 30 days you are getting. No, these are 25 days and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So 30 days you are getting. So she booked the ticket on May 27 only. Okay, okay, so she has booked the ticket. What I am saying is you have to remove 30 days going back. Okay, so June 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Okay, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How many days are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 25 is there. No, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are 25 days. So if you, instead of doing this taking lot of time, just you go 25 days back. So after going back you will be in on May 31st. Okay, here 25 days are completed. You are on May 31st. Go 4 days back. Here 1 is there. Again 30, 29, 28, 27. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is May month, this is June month. Here 25 days, here 5 days. Total how many days? 30 days. You are going back. No, in advance means you have to go back. Okay, 30 days before only she has booked. So we have to find out the date. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 days and here 25 days. Total how many days? 30 days. So what is the date? 30 days advance. No, so the date will be 26. On 26th she has booked the ticket. Okay, so this I am continuing that only. 10th question. So 30 days in advance. No, so on June 25 she is going. Once again I am saying this, June 25 she has to go. She has booked 30 days in advance. Okay, so final conclusion I am giving. I have rubbed all that. Final conclusion I am giving. In June 25 days completed. So we are in May month. May 31st, May 30, May 29, May 27. So I am writing here May 31st, May 30, May 29, 28, 27. These are 5 days and these are 25 days. Total how many days? 25 plus 5, 30 days. So she has booked the tickets on, these are 5 days, these are 25 days, 30. In advance she booked. No, so she booked the tickets on May 26. Okay, not May 27, it is May 26. 30 days advance, no, you should not include May 27. Okay, so she has booked the tickets on May 26. This is the final answer. Okay.